How to buy an Amazon gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. In here, simply search Amazon gift card. You'll find different websites to buy gift card. Make sure they are verified. Or you can simply click on Amazon.com, which is the Amazon's official website. Log into your account. You'll find different gift cards by occasion, by brands. Select the one you prefer. After you have selected the one you prefer, again select which design you want for your gift card. Then in the middle you'll find gift amount. Select the amount you prefer. You can also custom amount. Then press on buy now on the right side. After you've clicked on buy now on the right side, it will lead you to this page here. Check out, add your delivery address and everything, and then purchase it. This is how to buy a gift card on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.